As numbers at those mass vaccination sites are going down, the Southern Nevada Health District ramping up their vaccination efforts. Smaller clinics are now popping up across the valley. Kate Houston taking a look at how the turnout could impact vaccination rates and what health officials are doing to draw people in.
Our goal is to get vaccine in arms.
A major push by the health district to continue vaccinating the community.
So going to places like community centers, senior centers, places where people are already engaged in the community there.
Dr. Christina Madison works with Roseman University, which has overseen many pop-up clinics since early April. Now that large vaccination sites such as Cashman Center and UNLV will close next week, Dr. Madison says these pop-up clinics will become even more important.
Meeting people where they are, having these vaccine clinics in locations where people like, know, and trust you, right? So that's the number one thing that we need to be able to overcome some of this vaccine hesitancy.
Throughout the past week, hundreds of people have been vaccinated at smaller clinics.
We want to get up to that 60%. We want to make sure everyone's coming back for their second dose. We want to make sure that people are fully protected.
Sarah Lugo with the Southern Nevada Health District says this outreach won't end anytime soon, with 8 pop-up clinics planned for next week.
But we really try and target those areas where we do have our underserved areas or where we see that we're lacking in providing vaccinations in specific areas.
Now they're working on ways to bring more people in. Roseman is considering live music.
We'll be helping out our local artists that have obviously been hit very hard during the pandemic, and then also providing some entertainment for people while they wait for their vaccine or while they wait during the observation period.
Kate Houston, 8 News Now.
Although vaccination sites at Cashman Center and UNLV will close, the convention center will stay open right through June to make vaccinations a bit more convenient. A drive-through clinic could be offered as early as next week.